When I first met Toni, I would say that my self-esteem was pretty darn low. She saw something in me, probably something that I didn't ever see. That was a pretty pivotal moment in my life, to have someone say to me that they saw something really great in me.
I was just kind of just looking for something, and I saw Toni doing a live video, and I was like, she's pretty cool. She kind of took me under her wing like she does so many people and started mentoring me. But the thing about Toni was she just kind of helped you see what was really inside of you and kind of drew it out of you.
You know, not only is she my friend, but she's a fierce leader and wants to see me succeed.
No matter where she is, she's always gonna show up. So even when she moved halfway across the country from us, she still shows up. She still comes and helps us host events just to show that she values us. And I think that selflessness on her part is huge.
I think it helps so many people and touches them, and it just makes them into a better person.
And to be near somebody like Toni who's driven, I mean, you can't buy that. Just being around it in the presence of all the people is very motivating.
She is amazing. She definitely tells me the way it is, give me a kick in the seat when I need it. So she always makes herself available.
And she said, Christy, you've finally seen that you're worth taking care of yourself, and this is a brave move, and you're doing a brave thing. And she supported me so much through that, and that changed me as a person too. I think, you know, it was just all so intertwined.
Like, in front of a table full of people, stopped me and said that I have to stop talking to myself that way. And then she told me how valuable I was and how worthy I was and how smart I was. And I'll never forget it.
She does hustle. She hustles a lot. Like, she doesn't sleep. But I think it's because she loves what she does. But definitely you have to have like a good head on your shoulders and a good drive, and you have to be able to persevere because you have a lot of people that you want to help and that you have a responsibility to.
It's never been about them. It's always, how can I help you win? How can I help you? Not what can you do for me? And that's what I love about them the most.
You're either going to be laughing or crying, one of the two, but you're definitely inspired. They're amazing people, and they feel like family, and they've done a lot for me.
They're just so sweet, and they just are passionate of what they do. They just love it. And it's amazing.